Let's solve a logarithmic equation. We are given log base 2 of the quantity x plus log base 2 of the quantity x minus 4 equals 5. Log base 2 means we're looking for the power to which 2 must be raised to get the argument. So, log base 2 of 8 equals 3 because 2 to the power 3 equals 8. First, we must check domain restrictions. The argument of every logarithm must be positive. That means x must be greater than 0, and x minus 4 must also be greater than 0. So x must be greater than 4 because it works for both conditions. We use the product rule of logarithms. The product rule says log base b of m plus log base b of n equals log base b of m times n. Now combine the logarithms using the product rule. We multiply the arguments. Expand inside the parentheses. X times x equals x squared. And x times minus or negative 4 equals negative 4x. Next we will need to convert from logarithmic form to exponential form. The method for doing this is, if log base b of a quantity equals c, then b to the c power equals that quantity. Converting to exponential form, log base 2 of a quantity equals 5 means 2 to the 5th power equals that quantity. 2 to the 5th power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 32. Rearrange into standard quadratic form by subtracting 32 from both sides. Notice I flipped the equation so the quadratic is on the left side. Now factor the quadratic. We look for two numbers that multiply to negative 32 and add to negative 4. This is a great moment to pause. There are many ways to factor a quadratic. Here, negative 8 times positive 4 equals negative 32, and negative 8 plus positive 4 equals negative 4. That's our pairing. Set each factor equal to 0. That gives x equals 8 or x equals negative 4. Now we check our domain restriction. We said x must be greater than 4. The value negative 4 does not satisfy that condition, and it would make the logarithm undefined. So it is extraneous and must be rejected. X equals 8 is greater than 4, so it is valid. Check the valid solution. Substitute x equals 8 into the original equation. Log base 2 of 8 plus log base 2 of 4. Log base 2 means we're looking for the power to which 2 must be raised to get the argument 8, and the same for the argument 4. So, log base 2 of 8 equals 3 because 2 to the power 3 equals 8, and log base 2 of 4 equals 2 because 2 to the power 2 equals 4. And 3 plus 2 gives us 5. This matches the right side of the equation, and along with the validity of 8 as a solution, confirms our solution is correct. The only valid solution is x equals 8. I hope you found this helpful along your journey to discovering the joy in mathematics. This has been MisterMarx AI. Until next time, keep up the good work.